gentlemen, here's the next part of Young Learning. We're going to talk about rounding out shapes. To round out certain shapes, here's what we're going to do. We're going to build, first things I'm going to do is we're going to build a prism. So I'm going to build a nice little wall here. Nice and straight. We're going to build a rectangle. Doesn't matter what the dimensions are right now. Don't worry about that. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to increase this and we're going to make my wall. So now I have a beautiful wall here. Alright, we have a beautiful wall. And then what we're going to do is we're going to round out that shape. We're going to round out this prism just like that. Sometimes we're going to need the tape measure tool. When we get to our other labs, you're going to use the tape measure tool a lot. Just for references and everything like that. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take this. We're going to take our shape and we're going to go all the way right here. Maybe right there. Right now, again, don't worry about it. But if you do, you click once. Type in how far you want the thing to be and then hit enter and the tape measure automatically goes to that spot. You know, you have 3 feet 7 inches. So 3 feet 7 inches right now. I'm going to make it at least perfect. Alright, 3 times 12 is 36 plus 7 is 43. So I'm going to click 43, hit enter. We're fairly close. If I look at that, that gives me 3 feet 7 inches, you know. If I click on this thing right here, it should give me 3 feet 7 inches. I can always take the tape measure and go like this. Yep, 3 feet 7 inches at the bottom. Perfect. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to create the shape. We have this one right here. These are all your arcs. You can make a pie. You can make a 3-point arc where you click 3 times and it makes an arc. You can do a 2-point arc which makes half a circle most of the time, or 3/4 of a circle depending on how far your arc how far your points are. And then you have regular arcs. I'm going to do a 2-point arc, which is a half a circle because I want to round out the whole thing. So there's my marker, which is good. That's what I want. I want this marker to be right here. Midpoint, you can do that as well, but I'm not going to. We're going to click here, and then we're going to click here. And then click again. That gives me my arc. So now I can make my arc any which way. Sometimes you're going to have to zoom in because sometimes they'll say, oh, you're at half a circle. Like you're at half a circle here, but I want it to connect right there. Okay, so I want it to connect with that midpoint right there. Click on that. You have a nice, beautiful arc right there. Once you're done with that, all we have to do is get rid of this area and this area. Sometimes you could just erase like that, but then it just makes things disappear. We don't want that. We're just going to extrude. Sometimes you can also click on that and erase, but then again, it only deletes part of it, and that's not what we want. That's not what we want at all, and it cuts the middle off, so we don't want that. So we're going to do the push and pull. Push and pull, you basically highlight this. You can click it once and then push. You can make it go further, or you can make it disappear again. Wait till the glitch happens. And once you hit the glitch, click again, it automatically disappears. It does the same thing, click once, go all the way till you see the nice little glitch, or it says on edge. Click again, and that disappears. And there you have it. You have a full arc. You've rounded out your shape right there. That's what we're doing. That's what we're talking about, rounding out shapes. You'll need to use that during the lab as well. And then there you have it. So that's our next part of the lab. Go ahead and try this on your own. You should be able to handle it. Alright, until next time.